Today we will learn how to make sandpaper from a very easy process. I have taken a bottle and I have cut the upper portion of the bottle. I have taken two sides. As you can see, I have made a hole in the center of the bottle. I did the same on the other. I have taken the cap of a jar. I have taken two sides. If you don't have it, you can use cardboard also. Now we have to stick these pieces like this. Now it has made a stick. I have also stick the cap which I showed you earlier. Now we have to pour sand in and then we have to stick this cap also. Now this is stick. I have stick all the parts and also put the sand in it and it's working. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel and share it with others. Thank you.